Chef Anthony here today, talking about the Star Burner on your Thermador range. What it is, why you need it, and why it cooks so efficiently. So let's jump right in. Star Burner is amazing, patented Star. This is brass cap, but here's the best part about this. Let me pick this grate up and show you, gas cooktops, the best problem is cleanability. Look at this. I can take my towel and get right under these raised burner caps. That's huge. So in the clean world, this is an all sealed system. It has a little nice smooth finish on it, but it's great to get underneath there. So that's what I love about this. Next, let's put these grates back. Look at the ratio. Now that it's raised up, the burner is so close to the grill grates right here that we can get a higher sear, we get higher BTUs because the pan's sitting right here closer to the flame. That's amazing, okay? Speaking of that flame, we have a pan on high here, but I'm gonna turn this pan on right here so you could see that great Star burner. Look at that. Nice and easy. Look at that. Great. This is a patented design, so the Star actually really comes around any size pan to get you that high heat that you need. You could add woks to this, you could stir fry, you could cast iron sear, anything you want in a high temp cooking, you can do on the Thermador Star burner. We showed you the high, now let's show you the extra low right here. Now this cycles on and off right here. That's the extra low. And what it's going to do, clicks 3 times, cycles a continuous burner just to keep your items warm. This is ideal for chili. This is ideal for soups. Anything you don't want to burn. If you're doing a recipe for the first time, it's always good to use extra low if you have to run for ingredients or run for the recipe. This ensures that you won't burn it or you won't overcook it. I have chocolate in here as the demo. I've had the chocolate in there for about a half hour now. And now if you can see, there's just a little bit of brightness to the chocolate. So the cool part about that is it's already ready to be melted. So nothing better than chocolate and strawberries. Watch this. Look at that. Let's go all the way to the bottom. Make sure, look at that. Nothing is burnt. So that's really an ideal scenario. Talking about extra low, and you see it click back on there. That is amazing. So you could actually really keep these strawberries, dip them, do a whole baking session here without really burning, wasting any products. The Thermador Star burner not only gives you that high heat, but that extra low to make you a professional chef for whatever you're cooking. Whether you're pan searing pork chops like I have here. So we'll put this up to high. We'll get that great heat going. I have a few pork chops in here, a little bit of butter in my cast iron. We'll push these down and really work on that high sear that we talked about. And this is the same burner that's over there that has the extra low. So you talk about high, you talk about low, Thermador Star burner has you covered for both applications. So whatever you're looking to do on your 48-inch range, on your 36-inch range that we offer with the brass caps, the extra low has you covered from top to bottom. I'm gonna make some pork chops. I'm gonna dip some more strawberries. Let's just give me another 30 seconds. Let me see this. I want you to see, the flip on this and see how nice a few of these come out. Even a few more seconds, but look at the smoke. Look at the heat on that. Here's another great one when we're talking about, gas and air ratio. So there's no flames coming up on the side of this pan. That's why the patented Star burner is the way it is. It's really gonna just bring all that heat through the pan instead of going around it. So we see that great Star, just like that. So see that? These are looking really nice. See those beautiful marks on these? That's lovely. All right. I'm going to finish cooking these through. I'm going to dip some more strawberries, but this just shows you the amazing versatility that Thermador and the Star burner give you, make you achieve it to be an amazing chef. Enjoy this video.